create a new project, choose the location and access the BIM editor. Access the area plan drawing model. With the 2D magnetic grid, prepare your layout or area footprint in order to design the photovoltaic field. Define the photovoltaic surface on the drawn footprint. Model the installation area using the photovoltaic surface editor. Select the drawn area, tilt it using 2 elevation nodes. Position points P1 and P2, according to the roof slab's inclination slope. Incline the surface manually or assign the value in percentage. Phase 1. Assignment of the photovoltaic field. Assign the photovoltaic field on the inclined surface. In the PV field editor, you can adapt the surface or apply offsets. Select the surface and activate the design wizard. You can change the exposure by changing the orientation. Select the photovoltaic module. Get the positioning of the photovoltaic field. View the various 3D views. Phase 2. Assigning the inverter. Assign the compatible inverter to the photovoltaic field with the photovoltaic generator object. Select the photovoltaic generator object and activate the design wizard, where you can see a list of compatible inverters. Phase 3. Assigning the photovoltaic panels. Assign the electrical switch panels in DC and in AC. In the switch panels wizard, define the device protections in AC and DC. Assign cable specifications, protection devices, etc. for each selected item. Get the complete project design for the entire system, including the photovoltaic field, compatible inverters and photovoltaic panels. Exit the BIM editor, and completed the project with a detailed economic analysis.